Racing just is started. We have Apo Moon break quick. Let us start. Hailstorm in second, and in third comes You Are the One. Moving upon the outside is All By Myself. Eugene's Fly Away comes next. Double Rack, then followed by Full Metal Jacket, while Casablanca is the early trailer. Racing down the backstretch, we have Apo Moon. Hailstorm rushing upon the outside, and in third comes You Are the One, then followed now by All By Myself. Next in line is Eugene's Fly Away. Moving up down on the inside is Double Rack, Full Metal Jacket second last, while Casablanca is still racing in less. And on the fourth turn, we have Apo Moon enjoying a 3/4 length lead. Hailstorm in second, You Are the One is racing in third, and in fourth, All By Myself. Eugene's Fly Away comes next. Double Rack moving up on the outside, Casablanca, while Full Metal Jacket now racing in less, and they are now entering the home stretch. We have Apo Moon, Hailstorm, Eugene's Fly Away now moving up on the outside. All By Myself is running by the rail. Last 100 meters, we have Eugene's Fly Away, followed by Hailstorm in second, Double Rack, and finally Eugene's Fly Away. Then comes Hailstorm, Double Rack, Apo Moon, All By Myself, Casablanca.
Alright, number 5, Eugene's Fly Away. Upset, no? Written by J.D. Huko, masisigunding Hailstorm, Double Rack, All By Myself. 5-6-1-4. Panoorin natin replay nitong race number 4.